Whenever you hear about blockchain, the first thing that comes to mind is cryptocurrency. But what is blockchain? How is it linked to cryptocurrency? And how doesn't it work? It's what we are going to discuss here in this video. So if you are interested in knowing more about blockchain, make sure you stick around this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's now get right to it. Blockchain is a technique for preserving records that makes it hard to fake or hack the system or the data stored on it, making it safe and unchangeable. It is a form of distributed ledger technology that uses a digital system to simultaneously record transactions and related data in various places. To avoid a single point of failure, each computer in a blockchain network keeps a copy of the ledger, and all copies are updated and validated simultaneously. Blockchain is regarded as a type of database, although it differs significantly from traditional databases in terms of how it handles and saves data. Blockchain maintains data in blocks that are digitally connected together, rather than in rows, columns, tables, and files like traditional databases do. In addition, unlike traditional databases, which are controlled by a central computer, blockchains are decentralized databases run by computers connected to a peer-to-peer network. The first widely used blockchain application was the 2009 launched cryptocurrency Bitcoin. As a result, Bitcoin and its competitors, Dogecoin and Bitcoin Cash, are the ones most frequently linked to blockchain. Since the launch of Bitcoin, however, the use of blockchain has grown to include additional applications. Blockchain is a technology that logistics companies use to track and trace goods as they move through the supply chain. Blockchain technology has been put to the test as a foundation for digital currency exchanged by government central banks and the international financial community, as a foundation for smart contracts and other mechanisms for transferring and preserving intellectual property rights. Blockchain is also being used by a number of businesses, including the legal sector and the entertainment sector. In fact, a lot of businesses are looking into blockchain-based applications as a safe and economical solution to build and run a distributed database and keep a record of all kinds of digital transactions. As a result, blockchain is becoming more and more recognized as a method for safely tracking and exchanging data across various commercial enterprises. Blockchain operates through a multi-step process. Let's take a look at this process. An authorized participant enters a transaction, which the technology must authenticate. A block that reflects that particular transaction or piece of data is produced by that action. Every computer node in the network receives the block. A block is added to the existing blockchain after the transaction has been verified by authorized nodes. The transaction is completed when the update is distributed throughout the network. These operations require a variety of components and happen in almost real time. Individual transactions and blocks are the two different types of records found in a blockchain ledger. The first block contains a header and information on transactions that happened within a specific time frame. The timestamp of the block is used to aid in constructing an alphanumeric string known as a hash. Each block in the ledger after the first is formed uses the hash of the one before it to determine its own hash. A computational procedure known as validation or consensus must be used to confirm the legitimacy of each new block before it can be added to the chain. At this stage of the blockchain process, a majority of nodes in the network must agree that the hash of the new block was successfully calculated. Consensus ensures that the distributed ledger on a blockchain always has the same state. A block can only be referenced after it has been added. It cannot be changed beyond that point. The hashes for earlier and later blocks will also change if someone tries to swap out a block, which will mess up the common state of the ledger. When consensus is no longer achievable, the network's other computers are notified of the issue, and no new blocks will be added to the chain until it is fixed. Usually, the problematic block is eliminated, and the consensus procedure is repeated. Along with the word digital currency, the terms blockchain, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin are frequently grouped together and are mistakenly used interchangeably. Even though they are all part of distributed ledger technology, each one stands alone. Blockchain is a technology that creates a decentralized digital ledger that makes it possible for numerous parties to share information in a safe, irreversible way. Any form of money that is only exchanged digitally or electronically and without an intermediary is referred to as digital currency. This covers cryptocurrencies as well as digital currency issued by governments and central banks. Digital currency is also known as electronic currency, digital money, or cyber cash. A digital asset called cryptocurrency can be traded on a blockchain network. It is a part of electronic money. It is not distributed by the government. Consider cryptocurrencies as private company or group-issued tokens that can be used to purchase goods from other users of the blockchain network. CoinMarketCap, a market analysis website, reported 4,993 different publicly traded cryptocurrencies as of May 2021. The first cryptocurrency, and still the most well-known example, is Bitcoin. As more businesses across numerous industries learn to use it, blockchain continues to develop and acquire adoption, much like all other emerging technologies. Global leaders in blockchain adoption continue to be banks and other financial organizations. Other sectors, like healthcare, government, and technology, are expanding their usage of blockchain to allow for the safe interchange of data like real estate records, downloaded entertainment, and personal health information. So guys, that's all we have got for this video. If it helped you understand what blockchain is and how it works, then leave a like and a comment and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.